At the Greenberg train show, I managed to find quite a bit of rolling stock for wicked good prices, and in this video, I'm going to showcase them. First up is the CB&Q EMDE8 dummy unit. I picked this one up for $10, and it's in pretty good condition. My only complaint is that it's missing one of the horns, but I can replace it with a parts engine. This PA-1B unit supporting a Pennsylvania Railroad livery is unpowered and missing one of the couplers. I might have it so one end has one of the older hook couplers and the other end has a knuckle so that I can have another half and half car. I did pick up its identical A unit about a year ago at the Big E train show in Springfield, but I accidentally killed the motor after I made a careless wiring mistake. Me and my grandfather have been trying to get it to run again, but until then, this B unit will be stuck being pulled by Great Northern equipment. This Boston and Maine Minuteman caboose was $5. Just by looking at it, I think it's obvious what's wrong with it, and what I need to do to it. Oh yeah, it also does this. It's worth exactly what I paid for, but after I'm finished restoring it, I think it will be worth about 3 times what I paid for.
You have caused confusion and delay.
This PRR hopper was a part of a buy one get one free deal. I got this slightly weathered hopper with a permanent coal load, and this winterized red ding boxcar for $5 in total. They both roll extremely well with no tension between to their axles or trucks. These 4 boxcars were originally being sold for $10 a piece, $40 total. I managed to talk the vendor down to $20 for all 4 of them. 2 have hooks, and the other 2 have knuckles. One is missing a hook coupler and the other one is missing a spring for the knuckle. I managed to glue it shut, but I just need to let it dry. This Bud observation car will complete my passenger fleet. I bought it for $5, which was an extremely good deal. It was made by Lionel, I'm predicting sometime in the 90s. It comes with a working light and people inside. This River Aussie Pennsylvania Railroad chair car was about $10. It's in perfect condition and even comes with its original box and packaging. It was lightly used and was well maintained. It's a perfect addition to my layout even though it has hook couplers.